Now, how can you remove a flash on a picture on the iPad, right? So there might be a couple of photos where you used flash and it kind of stands in the way a little bit. So how can you do, or what can you do to change that? Well, using the built-in solutions, you can open up the Photos app, locate the image, and tap on the edit button. And from the sliders and things which appear, you can go ahead and either play with the highlights or exposure, because usually the flash has the effect of raising the highlights to disproportionate levels, and you can lower it down with the highlight slider and it will make all of the like white points come down in a sense, and it will make it a little bit more nicer or more natural, right? Same thing for the exposure, which will lower it down at the brightness of like the whole image. But if you see some artifacts on the screen from the flash, right, on the photo, or some like little pieces here and there, what you can do then is to use a software to remove those things. I would recommend you to use Snapseed, which is a photo editor from Google. It's free to download on the App Store, so you should be able to get it without an issue. And essentially, you can import your photo into the application like that, and there you can use the healing tool. It's part of the tools section. So again, it's the healing tool, and using this, you can select some parts of the image which should be replaced or like completely removed. So you can point it at like the artifacts, as I said, of the screen or whatnot, and it should remove it and make it look a little bit nicer. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if it did in fact work for you. Most definitely subscribe for the next guides and videos like this one, and I'll catch you later in the future videos.